Do you want to avoid losing potential customers because you can't be available 24/7 to answer their questions? Imagine having a personal sales assistant that works around the clock, recommends products, and helps customers make purchasing decisions, all without your lifting a finger. Hey, automation enthusiasts! I'm Serge from AI Automation Rocks, where we transform e-commerce businesses through the power of automation. Today, I'll show you what a sales-driven chatbot can be built for an e-commerce store that will boost your revenue while you are sleeping. In the next 10 minutes, you learn how to design conversation flows that convert, setting up different flows in ManyChat, and the exact template I use for my most successful e-commerce clients. Let's dive into ManyChat. First, we'll create a welcome message that immediately shows value for customers. We welcome them and make it shortly. So we show them the options where they can choose from. So it can be some FAQs or manage their messaging that we are setting up, and also to check their products or become a supporter for the brand. If they click on the customer support dashboard, if they click here on the view FAQs, they will go to another floor where they're showing them the different options and ask them to select from either their questions about the orders or payments, about shipments, about some returns or options. Here's an example of the Zax e-commerce store, so that's why that's already all images are for Zax. Then if they want to check the products, they will click this button and they will go to the product flow, where this is only two product categories is presented here. It's a backpacks or totes, and it will, if they wanted to see more products and help with the select. So for the backpacks, it will be like this, and they choose the color, and after choosing the color, they will be forwarded to the e-commerce to the product page, or it can be sent directly to the cart for placing the order. The same is for totes, and of course it's only two categories and one product for each category, but it can be uploaded here. All and set up all products that you have available, and not necessarily to do it this way, but also it can be connected with your e-commerce store and forward it directly to the products what they are interested in. Next step, it is if they want to subscribe for any messages from you, so they can go here and to handle this subscription. For example, if you have different subjects for subscriptions, it can be like general updates or discounts or events, or the next one is it can be even unsubscribe for any messages from your side. So not everybody contacts are interested in getting some messages from you. So the pro tip for creating the e-commerce bot like this in ManyChat, it's keep your initial messages short and engaging. You want to guide customers, not overwhelm them. And remember, the goal is to make shopping feel like a conversation with a knowledgeable sales assistant. So chatbot here is for assisting your customers to get the answers, while your human customer support is offline, or they are busy with other more important tasks to be done. So there you have it, a sales-driven chatbot that converts browsers into buyers. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more automation tips that grow your business. Got questions about setting up your own sales chatbot? Drop them in the comment below and read every single one and love. I read every single one and love helping yourself automation challenges. Keep automating and keep growing. And thank you for your attention.